For the screencast that you're going to do to show off your mockups and your example, what I'd like you to do is this. I would like you to open up your document, change it to preview mode. So remember that's W. We'll switch it from normal. Normal is when you see all the columns and you see the pasteboard. Preview mode is when you see just the pages themselves. So that's this button down here. All right, first thing I want you to do is go ahead and show me your mockups. So what you'll do is go ahead and zoom in on your mockups and walk me through each one of these. So explain to me, okay, so I want to do a big image. I want to have text, columns right here. For the spread here, I want to have a series of photos across the top. I'm thinking of showing different peaceful things to show off my anger management part. I'm going to have faces at the bottom. I'm going to put my pull quote right in the center. Then I'm going to do this. So you're going to walk me through and explain your thoughts and what you were planning on doing for all 10 of the layout spreads. Then I want you to show me the 3 variations that you've done. And really tell me why are you leaning towards these? What is it that you're going to do with these? Why do you think these are the strong ones? So you can walk me through what you did here. So show me your opening spread, explain what your thoughts were, make sure that I see all the pieces, turn it on to normal mode so I can see that you've lined things up, that you've got some columns set up with your stuff lined up. And then do the same thing for your after your opening spread, show me your article spread. Change it to preview. Talk me through what you are looking to do. If you ran into some problems or set up things that you wanted me to help you with, let me know what those are. Then switch it to normal mode so I can see your columns, and give me a moment so that I can look through it. Then go to the second spread. Show me what you've done. Repeat that same process. Turn on preview mode, turn it off preview mode. Show me normal mode. Let me see what you've got. And then do the same thing for the last few spreads. At the end, let me know if there's things that you're not sure how to do. You could show me something from your Pinterest board if you decide there was something on your Pinterest board that you needed me to see as far as you didn't know how to do something. So let me know what I can do to help support you. And then upload the screencast and make sure that it's set to public.